What did you do? Ay, kinuha niya ako sapatos. Look what he did to my shoes. He hold it. He don't wanna give it to me. He don't wanna give me my shoes. Say, I'm holding your shoes, mama. Ayan, kinuha na ako ng mga sapatos, but then hawak niya muna until isama ko siya.
If you can't put your shoes on, you can't leave me at home.
Yeah.
'Cause you can't go out.
Yeah, he don't want me to go out. That's why he's holding my shoe. Macho. Hindi naman
Look at
mabait
that, it's
niya.
logic.
Yeah. Ganito ka troublemaker yung bugoy ko. Kinuha na niya ako ng sapatos. Diba? Yeah, kinuha na niya ako sapatos kahit tsinelas na pangtulog. Basta, pero hinawakan niya para hindi ako makaalis. Ganito ka. Give it to mama. No, no, na! No, give it to mama. Wala na. Hi! Oo, sige. Tingnan mo. Parang kanggaro, ah. Diba? Nakulo ko talaga, oh. Kinuha niya sapatos ko.